It's Mocktail Monday, and today's drink is another trip back in beverage time. Hello and welcome to Mocktail Monday at the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen. Today's vintage recipe, the lemon and orange Frostie, is adapted from 1965's The Sunset Appetizer Book. It's both tasty and attractive, but it requires a little advanced planning, so let's get to it. To make it, all you do is combine equal parts orange juice, lemon juice, grenadine, and water, pour into an ice cube tray and freeze. When it's set, add your cubes to a chimney glass, prick them slightly with a fork, and fill with chilled ginger ale. It works with other juices too. Thank you for visiting the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen. Be sure to visit our Facebook page for lovely libations, Liquored Up live broadcasts, and more. And don't forget to visit our website for even more recipes and fabulous merchandise. It's always happy hour at the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen.